Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to identify our car width. While driving, we are struggling to identify right edge of your car. Let us identify from where exactly our front wheel going, how exactly your car width when you are sitting on the driving seat. Let us do this experiment. I stop my car like this in one ground. I stopped car like this and I kept one stand, one pole like this. How I kept this pole, it's directly straight to the this right side front wheel. My driving seat will be there, this side. I kept this pole exactly this place. See, you can see just in front of my right wheel. It's straight to the right wheel. What I will do, let me take back this car back without turning steering wheel. Let's see which position I can see this base. First time when I am see this stand base, then I will make one reference in our car where we can see this base of this pole. See, now my steering wheel is straight. Okay, what I am going to do now, I am taking my car back without turning steering wheel. I am taking my car back. Let us see which position I can see this stand base first. Oh yes, this is the place. From here, in this place, I can see this base of this stand. You can see. Okay, let me do one thing. I have one this one. I will keep this one straightly this place. Look now. I can see this base like this. This is the place I can see this pole base, especially base where this stand touching to the floor, into the ground. This is the place I mark indicator. I make one reference point. That means from this place, when I am looking this place, my car right side wheel going through this point. See, if I need to avoid this base hitting to my car, what I need to do? I need to turn either my steering wheel fully turn. I have to turn my steering wheel left turn. Let this base go right side of this reference mark. Let it go right side. If I turn my steering wheel this turn, it will go, this pole will go to right side. Then my car will not hit to the this base. Either then I have to do what I have to do. This base I have to take left side of this my car this side. That means let it go this side. Then my car will go this way. This pole will be left side of the car. That time also my car will not hit to the base, this pole. Let us do now. I will go front. I will turn left turn, right turn. How to avoid this base, this pole without hitting to my car. Now you can see, if I go straight like this, my car right side edge will hit to the this pole. What I have to do, I need to turn the steering wheel like this. Then that pole go right side of this reference point. Now if I go straight like this, my car will not hit to that base because it is other side. Let me take reverse again. Now I will take reverse again. Now either what I see, let us see, let us make this base, this pole exactly middle of this in between this reference line, the reference mark, and in between this left edge of the car. Look, see what will happen now. If I go like this, my car exactly will hit to the this base. Now what I have to do, I need to turn, let me turn little more right turn. Let me take little more right turn. Look, I take more right turn, then it go to exactly out of this left edge. Now see, if I go like this, my car will not hit to this base. Let me check again. Now See, if I go like this, my car exactly this right edge, and that means my this reference line and that pole same line. What I have to do, I need to turn like this. Look, if I turn like this, my reference mark is here, that base that side. See, I am not hitting to that. Hope you understand this one. I will do one more time for the more clear understand. Look, now let me go this. Look now, exactly in little maybe up and down is there, but it look like my this reference mark, and that base, that means that pole same line. If I go like this, it will maybe slightly touch, it will hit exactly. Look. Okay, now what I have to do, I cannot go like this. I need to mainly we have to consider about base. Okay, remember that. See, base we have to see. Now I move it to this side from my reference mark. Look, if I go like this, now my string I make it straight. Look, it's not hitting. Let me go little back again. I will show you for better understand. So see, look now. See, my mark is here. That base is that side. Will it hit to my car? No. Look, it will not hit to my car. Let me take like this. Look, now my reference mark and base exactly same line. It will hit. Let me turn this. Now I turn the steering wheel like this. That base going there compared to this my reference mark. Look, if I drive like this, my car will not hit to this pole. So I hope you understand this method. You do one thing, you do the same experiment with your car. You take any pole or something, you do this experiment with your car, you will get understand exactly what is this concept. I hope everyone understand what is this concept. This is the mainly practically all the beginning drivers are facing this problem. So I hope this will helpful for anyone who is struggling for this how to identify your car with, especially while you are driving in narrow space. So we'll meet again next video. I hope it will be more useful for anyone who are going to take driving license or anyone who is struggling to drive, how carefully drive the car on the road. So see you again.